What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do things a little bit different. We are going to look at my portfolio. We're going to make a few projections or predictions for October, and it starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back. My name's Matt, and in this channel, all we do is invest $20 a week and we watch it grow. So I am a small-time YouTuber, a small-time investor. I'm going to be a little bit different than some of the other investors that you see in the world of investing. So again, today we are going to look at my portfolio. We're going to make a few predictions and even some projections for where I plan to be by the end of October. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Real quick, before we do that, if you would smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel. It really helps the growth of my channel. I love doing this. Again, I think there are 29 subscribers as of this video. To the 29, you guys are the real MVPs. So let's hop into it. As we look at my portfolio, you can see everybody that I have in here. I'm not one that has the OCD where I can't stand to have fractional shares. In fact, I love it, especially when I get my dividends and I drip it right back into my holdings and my positions and just watch them grow. I think just by getting the positions or the dividends that I got yesterday, I was able to see a growth of 1 cent per month, which again, it's not much, but if we're able to increase 1 penny per month over the course of a year, it's going to be compounding on top of us continuing to invest. So one of my first goals I want to do is my holding of Horizon. You can see that it is just over 3.02% of my portfolio. I want to get this to 3.5%. So it's a dividend that pays 10 cents per month. And over the course of the year, right here, it says it's going to pay about $4 over the course of the year. And it's actually my highest yielding stock at 12.10%. Now, again, I got it at a pretty decent average cost of $9.92. But again, I want to raise the weight of that stock in my portfolio to 3.5%. Another one I want to do is a realty income. So I own just under 1 share or 3/4 of 1 share. It is only 3.48%. I would like to get this to 4%. It doesn't pay much. It's like 23.5, 24, somewhere around there. I think they just raised it. So it's going to pay me about $2.13 over the course of the year. It's yielding 4.67%. So this is another one I want to keep raising, and I have every single one of my dividend stocks, I drip back into them. Another one is T or AT&T. This is only at 1.32%. So the 3 stocks I have actually highlighted in the red, those are ones that I really want to raise my holdings. But with EPR, I'm still on the fence on if I want to sell it or not, because it's really not doing much, just sitting there. So going back to AT&T, love AT&T. It's a great company. They just trade sideways for the most part, and they're actually at a pretty good deal right now at $28.49. But again, I want to raise this from 1.32%. I want to double it to about 2.5%, maybe 3%. It will be paying out the dividend next month. Right now, I have it broken down to what it would pay monthly. So quarterly, it's going to pay me about 30 cents. So over the course of the year, it's going to be about $1.25. And you can see the yield on this is 6.72%. Lastly, I want to raise my holding on land. So land is Gladstone. It is focused solely on farmland, agricultural, that sort of aspect. I think it's a pretty good buy right now. It's at $15.30. I'm down a little bit on it. It's only 2.26%. I would love to get that to about 3%. maybe even 3.5%. The dividend does not pay out a lot. It's at 3%, just over 3.10%. It's going to pay me just under $1 a year. But I think by raising those 4 stocks, I'm going to be able to be in a really good position. So you can see right here, this is my yield. So my yield is at 4.72%, which is phenomenal. I mean, I'm right now at about $3.93 per month, or just under $50 a year. Again, I'm investing $20 every week, and I have a little bit of cash on the sideline, so I have $50 in cash. That's going to be about 3.5% of my portfolio, and I'm just waiting for, a pretty good red day and may just kind of spread it out even more. So I think by raising my yield from 4.72, hopefully we can get to 5 and even over the 5% range, and just go from there. And then lastly, again, getting the dividends from $3.93, I would love to get it to about $4.25. For every $20 I'm putting in, I think I'm getting somewhere, around between 8 and 10 cents, somewhere in there, for every $20 I'm putting in. And with me putting in about $80 per week, we're going to be averaging about 40 cents per month in gains, plus the 40 cents we're receiving from those dividends we're reinvesting back into our companies. And it's been really exciting to watch, my graph grow, and, just watch this portfolio grow as a whole. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Let me know what your thoughts were. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, again, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Happy trading to you. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. Thanks.